Why do we sneeze? Have you ever sneezed so hard you questioned your entire existence? Yeah, me too. So here's the reason. A sneeze is your nose saying, "Warning, intruder, detected." Could be dust, pepper, sunlight, or absolutely nothing at all, because your nose is dramatic. Your brain then hits the sneeze button and launches air at like 100 miles per hour. That's faster than some people run from responsibilities. And the weirdest part? Your body literally shuts your eyes so you don't sneeze your soul out. So next time you sneeze 3 times in a row, just know that your nose is rebooting like a Wi-Fi router.